was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians here. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero everything I do for you. Ako na pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa